Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will clean and show you about the following vehicle here. So now I start checking from this track first. The first one is a super Spider-Man. A Spider-Man. No, a Spider-Man red color. You can see a sign of spider. Garbage truck. Monster truck. Mini monster truck. How about this one? Mini airplane. Nice airplane. Mini crane. Bulldozer. Garbage truck. Monster truck. Cement mixer. How about this one, everybody? This is a hero Captain America. Super motorbike, pink color. Racing super motorbike, pink color with number 46. Batman, hero Batman. Racing car number 9. Everybody, let's move forward so we can see 2 tracks. But now I check the right one, the right side. Mini airplane, yellow color. Super motorbike. This one is a police super motorbike. You can see number 911. Red car number 3. School bus. Mobil truck. Mobil truck or truck. Bulldozer. Hero Captain America. You can see Hero Captain America here. Hero Captain America carrying a strong cashier. Mobil tanki, Indonesian language. English. Tank truck. Cement mixer. Cement mixer truck. Iron Man. Hero Iron Man. Everyone, let's start with another truck. Racing car. Sorry, it's not a racing car. Police car, green color. Super motorbike. Truck Mobil Truk, Indonesian language. Mobil Tanki, Indonesian language. But in English, we call it tank truck. How about this one, everybody? Excavator. Shoot excavator. After we check the excavator, after we check an excavator, now I check cement mixer. This one is a cement mixer truck. Truck. Mobil Truk. Mobil Truk. Mobil Truk, Indonesian language. About this one, everybody? Super motorbike, green color. Everyone, if you love my video, please write down, click a like button, and especially don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.